I'm very sure you had Sabudana vada or maybe you heard somewhere. So let's try another variation for Sabudana vada. We call Sabudana waffle. Hello everyone, Namaste, Ji Swaminarayan, welcome back to my channel. So let's make it this recipe together. Take 1 cup soaked sabudana, 2 to 3 ball potato, 4 to 5 chopped green chili, chopped coriander, salt to taste, 1 teaspoon red chili powder, 1 teaspoon jeera, 1 teaspoon sesame seed. If you have lemon juice, you can add to it. I don't have it that time, so I skip it. Now make dough and take a small amount, roll it like a patty shape. Now put this patty in a waffle maker and wait until it's done. Your Sabudana waffle is ready. Hope you like it. Visit my website to read detailed recipe, link in the caption. Follow me for more. See you soon. Bye. Annyeong.